Reaching Rishikesh from Delhi is not something to stress about. You can choose from options of driving, taking a train to Haridwar, or a bus. I took a train from Delhi to Haridwar. It started early morning around 6:30 and we reached Haridwar around 11:30. From there we took a shared auto which costed us around rupees 50 per person, and then another auto for rupees 20 which dropped us quite close to Laxman Jhula. We stayed at the hostel Shiv Shakti, which is about 5 to 7 minutes walking from Laxman Jhula. Ghats near Laxman Jhula. Following small alleys by the cafes will lead you to one of the ghats, steps that lead to River Ganga, and you can just sit there and look at the flowing river. You can see some people also offering their prayers to River Ganga, and it can be a very good evening. You can just sit there for the sunset and sit in peace. Laxman Jhula is a suspension bridge across River Ganga which connects two villages Tapovan to Jonk. Mythologically, it is believed that Lord Ram and his brother Laxman had crossed the Ganga river at the same place where the bridge now exists. They had crossed the river with the help of just two ropes. It is majorly a pedestrian bridge which is also used by two-wheelers. Goa Beach was one of my favorite morning places. It is about 10 minutes walk from Laxman Jhula, and you can just sit here and meditate or feel union with the flowing river. Cafes in Rishikesh. You can find a lot of cafes to sit and chill. Most of them are quite similar when it comes to the prices. Our favorite was Freedom Cafe, where you can see River Ganga flowing by while you have your meal. My personal favorite was avocado shake, and I had it every time I went there.
And how do you feel about it? Okay, this is not the so usual paratha that we eat. So let's
some interesting stuff in here.
perfect. So
This is काइंड ऑफ एन एक्सपेरिमेंट.
ठीक है. डन डन डन.
एक बॉटल ले,
हाँ.
उसमें पानी भर,
हाँ.
ढक्कन बंद कर एंड शेक इट.
ठीक है.
ढक्कन खोल,
हम्म.
पानी विल बी स्टिल देयर, काम एंड कंपोज.
राइट.
राइट. उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा कि तूने उसको उठा के फेंका,
हाँ.
या तूने उसको शेक किया, जो भी किया,
हाँ.
उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा.
हाँ.
नाउ टेक अनदर बॉटल, पुट सम कोक इन इट
राइट.
एंड शेक इट
ठीक है.
एंड ओपन द लिड. कोक पूरी फैल जाएगी तेरे, या फिर फैलेगी भी नहीं. अगर बाहर पुरानी कोक होगी तो वो बुलबुले टाइप्स बन जाएंगे.
राइट. बिल्कुल सच.
दैट मीन्स इट गॉट अफेक्टेड बाय द आउटसाइड सिचुएशन.
बहुत बढ़िया.
So you choose whether you want to be a bottle of water
वाह
or
भाई
you
वाह.
want to be a bottle of coke.
वाह
That's
सपना.
totally in your hand. No one, no situation, no other person, no other human being on this earth should affect your mind.
Beatles Ashram, also known as Chaurasi Kutia, is an ashram close to Rishikesh in the foothills of the Himalayas. Chaurasi means 84 and Kuti means huts. It was the training center for students of Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, who devised the transcendental meditation technique. The English rock band The Beatles studied meditation there between February and April 1968, also one of the reasons why it is known as Beatles Ashram. The entrance cost is 600 rupees for foreigners and 150 rupees for Indian nationals. Inside you can see a lot of graffiti and paintings by visitors. You can easily spend 2 to 3 hours exploring the place, or just sit by and let your creativity flow. Create some music, write, dance, let it all in.
Alright, so we have left from Laxman Jhula area for our beach yoga retreat, and it is somewhere near a place called Waterfall, and the cabs, they cost you about 600 for the entire vehicle. They don't do the shared cabs, so this is the only option that you have, and yeah, let's go.
Peace Yoga Retreat. So our next 3 days were all about Peace Yoga Retreat. Peace Yoga Retreat has designed beautiful yoga retreats, and you can learn different yoga styles and practice different meditations. It is located in Garud Chatti area and right by a shallow stream. We had opted for a 3 days retreat which included guided meditation along with yoga twice a day. The package also included food, and the team was absolutely amazing. On one of the days, we hiked up till one spot early in the morning for our meditation by the river Ganga, and it ensured that we left all the chaos behind and only came back with a peaceful mind and peaceful body. Patna Waterfall, located approximately 5 kilometers from the Laxman Jhula bridge in Rishikesh. After a short climb through the scenic forest, you'll reach Patna Waterfall, a respite from everything happening around. We also got to experience Yin and Hatha Yoga under the guidance of Yogi Vivek, who knows what he is talking about. You can check out my podcast sessions with the team and our Guru Vivek by clicking the link given on top. These yoga sessions gave me a confidence and made me realize how we create our own boxes and find comfort in them when life is all about challenging yourself and pushing your boundaries. Such inspiration. By the way, these guys also conduct online yoga sessions if you would be keen on the same. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you would want to see more of my travel videos, or we will meet on one of your YouTube search pages for some other location. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section, and it was so nice to have you here. Namaste.